Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Toilet paper.
Okay, what am I going to say? Babe, what am I going to say? Okay, I'm pretty attuned to this whole personality of quarantining because I actually am a bit of a homebody and I have so much stuff that I have procrastinated on and I want to do in my apartment that I think this is going to work out for me. But I'm also a procrastinator, so hopefully I get some of this stuff done and I just chill and watch movies with Arthur. But Megan's head is in the book, so I don't really feel like watching movies by myself. Right? All right. So, by the way, Jojo Rabbit, that was pretty good. Also, side note, I guess I'm not going to have eggs through the next month. Eggs and toilet paper. Why are those the two things anybody wants now? Okay, so, Konmari Method, right? I already made a video about how I failed to do this once. I'm going after it again. But this time, I'm even upping the stakes, and we're going to go after the kids' clothes. I think that's where you're supposed to start with the Konmari Method. You're supposed to start with clothes. Now, my clothes, I feel like they're pretty minimal, even though they're not. Let's be honest, they're not. But let's make this happen. Look at that. That's how much clothes we have. So the strategy I think I'm going to do is I'm going to create a pile of stuff we are going to keep that he can wear, and then create a pile of stuff we're giving away. I guess that. Really? That's what you're going to do? Figure out if we're going to get rid of anything. I think I'm going to get rid of everything.
I keep it rough.
I've been cooped up in this apartment for, I think, it's been a long time, as everybody is experiencing.
Oh, it was 6 days for me.
6 days for Megan. So we are going to take a stroll around the neighborhood. We've had so much rain in this past week that everything is green and lush, which, I mean, it is springtime, but still, we usually do not have this much green. So it's nice. Just left CVS, scored some essentials. That's right, some Baileys and some eggs. Got some eggs from the CVS. It's always random spots, right? Back from the walk, and I've got all these bags here that I'm getting rid of, which feels good. Feels good. But I just kind of randomly threw stuff in this pile. All right, here. But I'm going to go through it again. We're going to give it the Konmari love test. The love test. And so, like, that's all of his clothes. There's business here, buddy. What we need to do, yes, we're going to take care of your clothes.
Yes.
We need to get all the clothes that is in there, here. Let's go. Come on. Up.
Toilet paper. Toilet paper.
What about toilet paper, bud?
Toilet paper, if it doesn't work, it's the same. toilet paper.
And what else? What happens with the toilet paper again?
If refrigerator or toilet paper. F will die.
All right, Mom, explain that to us.
Okay, so I showed Arthur a clip of Carol Burnett.
Dear Mom, it's from my daughter. I ran off with a motorcycle gang that had softer toilet tissue. Oh no, not the Jolly Green Giant too.
A big toilet paper.
The big one.
It's for.
That is 4, 5, 6, 7? 7 bags, maybe even 8 bags of clothes. Now that we're done with clothes, we are going to go after toys. So he's going to join in and help with the process, right?
Yeah. It's so big.
As you can tell, that is my keep pile, or Arthur's keep pile.
Ooh.
And that is my get rid of pile. So not exactly fruitful. If it was up to Arthur, we would keep every single thing. We're moving forward. And also, another thing about the Konmari Method and all that stuff is I got to remember that she talks about this being like months in the making. This is not just a few weeks. This is not just a weekend. This is months of you reorganizing your life. So I got to think of it that way too, right? And it continues. We are now on to books. This is just chaos, and I'm glad Arthur is going through some stuff here. Excuse me. That bag was full of stuff. You're party to this situation.
I am not.
She is party to this situation. Well, I think that's it. Thank you for joining me on my quarantine clean or whatever else may be the case of this crazy week and what's going on. Also, just a reminder to everybody, you know what? This is beyond a lot of our control. I know everybody's like, let's get the economy back, let's get going and you know, getting back into the groove of things. And just remember, this is a really, really cool opportunity to spend a lot of time with your family or alone, even with your thoughts, and being able to just kind of reflect on your life. I'm in no rush to get back to my day job. I don't know about anybody else out there. Yes, I want to pay my bills, and yes, I want to be able to do all those things, but it's funny how non-essential you look at some of our things, and it almost seems absurd. You know, anyways, I'm gonna just throw this out there. Would anybody be interested in me live streaming, reading a book? I have to do it before 1923. Any book before 1923, I guess, is public domain, or public domain books in general. I don't know. Anyways, I'm throwing that out there if you guys are interested. If you enjoyed this video, please take a look at this video right here. It is a video about my first time that I decluttered my house. I called it Mid-Century Modern Decluttering. Take a look at that. I think you'll enjoy that. My name is Timothy Sands. This is Fashionable Father. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the flip side.